Hi! In this video, I will show you how to hire someone to build a Shopify dropshipping business for you. We will do this using the example of freelancer Andrew, who is an expert and whose services I highly recommend. Step 1. Click the link in the video description and create a new account. This is Andrew's Fiverr page. He's a trusted expert who builds online stores using Shopify. Step 2. Look at what he offers. Scroll down and read his services. He can build your website, find good products for you to sell, set everything up so it works smoothly. He has 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium. The more you pay, the more help you get. Step 3. Send him a message. Click the Contact Me button. Write something simple like, "Hi Andrew, I want to build a dropshipping store. Can you help me?" He will reply and tell you what he can do and which package is best for you. Step 4. Choose a package and place the order. After you talk to Andrew, 1. Pick the package he recommends. 2. Click Continue. 3. Answer a few questions about your store, like what you want to sell. 4. Pay safely through Fiverr. Don't worry, Fiverr holds the money until you're happy with the job. Step 5. Andrew builds your store. Andrew will now create your Shopify website, add cool products, make everything work perfectly. You can ask for changes if you want to fix something. Step 6. Launch your business. Once Andrew finishes, your store will be ready. Now you can start selling online and growing your business. Click the link below and message Andrew or order your Shopify store right now.